Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to reset a Toyota Tacoma maintenance light, only ways. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, press the odometer reset button until trip appears, then turn the ignition off. Hold the odometer reset button, turn the ignition back to on, and keep holding until the maintenance light blinks and clears. Release the button and verify the light stays off before driving. Follow these clear steps and you will be done quickly and confidently. Make sure the dash shows trip A, then press and hold the odometer reset button. While holding, cycle the ignition off and back to on without starting the engine, and continue holding until the maintenance light pulses and disappears. Release the button, start the engine, and confirm the indicator remains off so you know the reset succeeded. If you found the tips useful, please subscribe and like to keep more practical car help coming your way. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, is a game changer for keeping your garage and workspace tidy without lifting a finger. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it fits your routine. Now let's get back to the video. If you run into problems, stay calm and try a few checks before calling for help. Confirm trip is visible and repeat the reset sequence precisely. Check the key fob or battery connections if the procedure fails, since power interruptions can stop the reset. If the maintenance light still refuses to clear after multiple correct attempts, have a technician scan for any service codes so you can resolve any underlying issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.